Hello everyone. Today let's quickly cover the essentials for preparing your organization for the 2026 Pay Transparency Directive. Whether you're just starting or already have some processes in place, these steps will help you move forward confidently.
First, identify your starting point. If you're new to pay transparency, focus on getting leadership support, checking your data quality, and setting up a clear job evaluation method. If you already have some structure, review your policies, make sure your leaders understand them, and check if your job classifications are up to date. If you're nearly compliant, use this as a chance to strengthen your culture, automate processes, and keep improving. Let's quickly highlight the main pitfalls. Don't rush into pay analysis before setting clear, objective criteria. Otherwise, your results may be unreliable. Don't work in isolation. Involve leadership and communicate openly, or you risk misunderstanding and resistance. Don't skip job evaluation. It's essential for fair comparisons. Don't try to do everything at once. Move step by step, increasing transparency as your organization is ready. Avoiding these mistakes will make your transition to pay transparency much smoother and more credible. If your organization is just starting out with pay transparency, focus on 3 essentials. Secure executive commitment. Make sure leadership is fully on board and understands the importance of this initiative. Audit your data. Review all your compensation data sources for accuracy and completeness. Reliable data is the foundation for any analysis. Establish a job evaluation method. Set up a clear, analytical system to assess and compare roles objectively. This will guide all future decisions and ensure compliance. Taking these steps early will help you build a solid, credible foundation for your pay transparency journey. If your organization already has some compensation structures in place, focus on these key actions. Assess policy alignment. Review your current pay policies and practices to ensure they match the requirements of the new directive. Identify any gaps or inconsistencies. Evaluate leadership understanding. Make sure managers and leaders are aware of the changes and understand their roles in supporting pay transparency. Review job classifications. Check that your job classifications and descriptions are up to date and accurately reflect the responsibilities and requirements of each role. By strengthening these areas, you'll ensure your existing framework is robust, compliant, and ready for the next steps in pay transparency.
If your organization is close to full compliance, now is the time to go further. Drive cultural transformation. Make transparency and fairness part of your company's values and everyday practices. Strategic positioning. Use your advanced status to attract and retain talent and to stand out in your market. Automate processes. Implement digital tools to streamline pay analysis, reporting, and updates. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and refine your compensation practices to stay ahead of regulatory changes and market trends. By focusing on these points, you turn compliance into a real strategic asset for your organization.
To ensure fair and consistent job comparisons, it's essential to use clear, objective reference standards. This means evaluating each role based on professional qualifications, required education, certifications, and technical expertise, people management, size of team managed, leadership responsibilities and mentoring duties, decision authority, level of autonomy, strategic impact, and budget control, core competencies, problem solving, communication, and technical skills, tenure and experience, years in the role, organizational knowledge, and depth of expertise. By structuring your job evaluations around these standards, you lay the groundwork for a transparent and equitable pay policy that meets directive requirements.
If your organization doesn't yet have a systematic job evaluation method, this should be your top priority. Analytical job evaluation creates objective benchmarks for comparing roles. Without it, any pay analysis will be unreliable and may not meet legal requirements. Start by selecting a proven evaluation system and apply it consistently across all positions. This foundation is essential for fair, transparent, and compliant pay practices. If your organization already uses an analytical job evaluation system, focus on these key actions. Validate your criteria. Make sure the factors your system measures are objective. and meet the directive standards for fairness and non-discrimination. Check for updates. Review when each role was last evaluated. Outdated evaluations can misrepresent your current organization. Ensure accessibility. Confirm that your evaluation system is clear and usable for people outside of HR, supporting transparency across the company. Regularly reviewing these points will help keep your job evaluation process effective, fair, and compliant. To ensure clarity and fairness, start by mapping all positions in your organization. Update job descriptions so they accurately reflect current responsibilities and requirements. Then group similar roles into job families. This helps create clear career paths and ensures consistent treatment across the company. Select an analytical method for evaluating jobs. Define clear, objective criteria such as skills, responsibilities, and impact, and assign appropriate weights to each factor. This structured approach ensures that all roles are assessed fairly and transparently. Integrate your job evaluation results into a coherent job architecture. Align this structure with your compensation strategy and talent management processes. Apply your methodology consistently across all roles, create clear grade levels, and secure executive approval to ensure buy-in and sustainability. Working with external experts brings real benefits. They offer an objective perspective, accelerate implementation, and provide technical and operational expertise. Their support can help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure your pay transparency project is robust and compliant. Thank you for joining. For more resources or support, feel free to reach out. Start early, avoid shortcuts, and focus on building a transparent, fair system. This is your roadmap to compliance and a stronger organization.